This is the broken part. I'm going to detach. I have it turned upside down. Let's see if we can repair from this end. Diversity tool, what to do when one of your poles break on your pop-up canopy. Instead of tossing it, this is what I did. These break along the end points here on the other side, but two of them broke on the other side if I turn it upside down. But to fix that was real simple. I got me a chain link fence rail. This is the 1 by 3/8 by 10.5 feet. They I think this was about 16 bucks at Home Depot. But I cut it up to make me a sleeve to connect two of these together. So let's do that. Well, no, I cut me a sleeve, probably about 5 inches long, and I put it over this section. Also, I took my sledgehammer and made it flat and put it over this section, put a screw through there, and basically remove the screw here. That's what you want. This is what happened here. I took my piece that I had, and the part that was broken, I just slid it over and just re-screwed it to the tip and screwed it at the bottom here. I got it covered with tape, but there's the screw here, and that's holding it onto the bar. And just reattach the new piece to that, and your problem is solved. It's a little generic, but it works. This is where I repaired it. In this corner, right here, you can see everything is nice and tight. Didn't take much to repair that. Instead of throwing it away, the canopy frame has been fixed for about 16 bucks. You can choose your screws or bolts to put in there. I'm gonna use my hex bit. This is a 1/2 inch. I mean my hex tool. Get these nuts in. Get these little screws out here.